Today we're going to be showing how to connect the Schwinn Echelon 2 to the Zwift version running on Apple TV. We are going to first start up our cable unit by tapping on it. You notice it connects up to the application, and we are then going to scan for sensors, and we will look for the Schwinn to show up either under fitness equipment or under bike power. In this case, because our Echelon is broadcasting as fitness equipment, we'll select number 4. You can see that as I get the cable close to the transmitter, the signal strength indicator on the right goes high, so you can differentiate which equipment that is. So we'll select that one. We'll also select the heart rate monitor that I'm wearing, and we'll go ahead and save those. Cable unit is resetting itself right now, and it will come back on, and then we'll be able to assign which BLE services we want to use. Before we do that, why don't we go ahead and name the sensor set, and we'll name it Zwift. Since we're going to be using it with Zwift, it'll help us remember what this set is set up for. So I'll hit update. Now I can go ahead and select the services that I want to use to feed the BLE services. So if I select the cycling power service, that's what we want to use to feed into Zwift. Zwift currently isn't supporting FTMS, so we'll leave that one alone for right now. We'll also turn on the heart rate service so that we can get our heart rate data into Zwift as well. So now I can go ahead and set cable down close to the transmitter. I'll save those settings first. So right now cable is saving the settings, and then it will reconnect, and then we'll be able to see that data is actually coming through. So as I pedal, see my heart rate is coming through. We also have power, and cadence will show up here. So there I'm at 80 RPMs for my cadence. We'll confirm that everything is all set, so we can go ahead and close out the cable config application. We'll switch over to our Apple TV, start up Zwift, and select the user that we want to use. We're going to go ahead and select our power source. Notice that cable shows up, so we'll select cable as our power source. Next, go ahead and select the heart rate, and cable is also providing heart rate. And then we'll shift over to cadence and let Zwift know that we are going to be getting cadence from the cable as well. One important note is you should be pedaling when connecting up the cadence sensor, because Zwift has to be getting cadence information to know that cadence is supplied. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my kicker since we're not using the kicker today, and now we're all set, so we can go ahead and ride. As the Schwinn doesn't supply speed as part of its information, Zwift will derive the speed based on the power and cadence that I'm generating. So as I increase the resistance on the Schwinn bike, you'll notice the power level increases and my rider ends up going faster. And that is how you can use the Schwinn Echelon to drive data into the Zwift application on Apple TV, and notice that the power and cadence information matches what's shown on the display.